Good morning, dear children. Now, before we start our class, I would like to aware you about a latest circular that has come from Army Welfare Education Society, which is the parent organization of all army schools. So, they have taken a decision to implement reduced syllabus. That means some of the chapters of every subject will be now reduced due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, you all have to learn according to this new syllabus, okay, that is given. So, we will have to implement the new syllabus, that is the reduced syllabus, where chapters will be coming less in number compared to your initial syllabus that was given, okay. So, please mark these chapters in your book. The chapter names are chapter 1. Chapter 1 and 2 already it has come in your exam. After that chapter 3, okay, that is chapter number 5, lesson 5 in chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter number 5 and chapter number 10. You will have practicals of chapter number 5 as well, okay. So, I request you all to please mark these chapters in your book. Okay. So, today we are going to discuss chapter number 5. So, all of you please move to page number 31 and that is chapter number 5. So, knowing Windows 7, we all know that Windows 7 is an operating system, okay, and operating system is a software that helps the computer to interact with the user. We all users can interact with the or communicate with the computer with the help of operating system, okay. So, it recognizes input from an input device. The operating system will detect input from an input device like keyboard, mouse and display output on the monitor, okay, or on the printer, alright. Now, the process of starting and restarting a computer, what is it known as? The process by which we can start as well as restart the computer is called booting. So, booting is a process by which we can start or restart a computer. Now, when we start our Windows, okay, the moment we give our password and everything, we are greeted with the welcome screen. What is this welcome screen known as? This welcome screen is known as the Windows desktop, okay. Basically, all the icons and folders of Windows are kept over here. All the icons and folders of Windows are kept where? In the desktop, okay. Now, what are the desktop icons? Desktop icons are small pictures on the desktop, okay. These helps to access different programs. So, by clicking on these small icons or pictures, you can access all the software or functions of the OS. Like, see what are the icons available? Firstly, mouse pointer. With the help of the mouse pointer, we can click on any of the icon or folder. Desktop is basically the workable screen of the computer. So, what is the desktop? It is the screen of the computer where all the document folders are present. We can see the date and time right below the computer on the right hand side, okay. So, by clicking on the date time, we will be able to see the clock as well as the date time. To change the date time, we have to click on the time or the date option, okay. So, we can also change the time or date. Taskbar contains all the actively running programs of the computer. So, it is a long bar present at the bottom. So, where is the taskbar located? See, this is the taskbar, a long bar located at the bottom. It contains all the presently working programs of the computer, okay. Now, what is the start button? It is the most usable part of the desktop where all the applications or programs are present. So, the most usable part of the desktop is the start button where all the programs and features of Windows are present, okay. So, children, please study this page nicely, page number 31, 32 and 33, okay. These pages are to be studied and we will continue again from the bottom paragraph of page number 33 in our next class. So, if you have any doubts and queries, just ping back to me in the WhatsApp group, okay children. Thank you.